You can't stay consistent or even get started here on YouTube if you don't have video ideas. So many of you watching have asked me before, Trina, how do you come up with enough video ideas to stay consistent here on YouTube? So today I've got 20 initial YouTube video ideas for you to get started with. And I say initial because I think once you hear these 20 video ideas, you're gonna start to see how you can spin this into even more video ideas. I'm talking 50 to even 100 ideas for you. I mean, you only need 52 ideas to be consistent for an entire year every single week here on YouTube. Sound good? That first video idea is frequently asked questions that you get or you know people in your niche have. Now remember last week when I shared with you how I'm creating my YouTube strategy, I talked about your niche and how important it is. And so think about questions that you're getting asked all the time. So for me, that's how to get YouTube subscribers, how to grow a channel, how to edit videos. If you're in the wellness and health sector or niche, maybe you're getting asked how to stay motivated to work out, what workouts to do, what to eat to lose weight. Those are frequently asked questions that you might have. So you can see how this one particular idea could spin into quite a few. You can look at places like Ask the Public online here and type in an idea and it will span a whole bunch of ideas. You can see what people are asking in a Facebook group. If you have social media platforms like YouTube or Instagram, you can have a poll or a question in your stories to get people's feedback on questions that they have. Your next video idea is a product review, and this has a lot of benefits for you. Not only does it give you a video idea, but if it's a product that you can make commission off of selling, you can make money off of it. So for example, I could do a product review on the camera that I'm using, the Canon M50, and then it could have an affiliate link to my Amazon shop where you could buy it and I could get commission. Or maybe you're an affiliate to a different course or a digital product and you can talk about that and review it. And so you really want to think about the products that your niche wants to hear about, right? So we'll go totally out of the box here, and you're probably not going to want to have a product review from me about a new car we just bought, right? So that doesn't make sense for a product review. So when you are thinking about product review videos, just make sure it's a product that your audience would want to know about, because then they will watch it and then they can potentially buy it, helping you make money. Next video idea is a how-to series. Again, last week we talked about creating a YouTube strategy, and one of those strategies is to create series or themes. So think about how you could teach people to do something in your particular niche. Maybe there are certain things that people need to know how to do first before they work with you one-on-one, maybe before they jump into your course. So for example, for people to be in my agency, they at least need to know how to create content, right? What their content is going to be about, how to research that. We'll do a lot of the other stuff, but that's something that we should touch base on first. Maybe if you're in that health and wellness niche, they need to know how to be motivated or how to decide on their weight loss goals or how to pick the best workouts for them, right? The next video idea is answering comments. So if you get comments on your YouTube videos, comments on Facebook, Instagram, just answering these comments or answering questions that you're getting in comments. An extra bonus here is to screenshot their comments and shout them out on your video. People love to be recognized by other people and they love to have shout outs on YouTube videos. So go through your comments, see if there's any questions or anybody that you want to shout out and do an entire video on it. Next is a how to get started video. Now this might seem kind of like a how-to video, but maybe it's more like how to get started on YouTube, how to get started planning videos, right? Remember we talked about staying in your niche and getting excited and getting creative with those video ideas. You really want to think about different angles to hit these videos because not everybody is watching every single video that you publish. Some are, but you also want to put more content out there in different perspectives in different ways so that you can reach more people. So again, if you're in that health and wellness space, maybe you do a video on how to get started with a health coach. And you could really talk about, what it's like to get started with you. How to get started on Instagram. If you are an Instagram expert and you can talk about, their bio and content themes if that's what you teach. Your next video is a shopping haul. And I don't mean just by going to like H&M and showing them everything that you bought to wear. I'm talking about shopping hauls specific to your niche. So for me, let's say I went on a shopping haul with equipment and I share, everything that I bought off of Amazon on Black Friday that relates to video and YouTube, right? right? Maybe again, health and wellness. We're really using this niche because I can come up with ideas to show you how it could fit for you. So maybe you do a shopping haul on Athletica or Lululemon or wherever you're buying clothes and show people what workout clothes you're wearing. Because the thing is, our audience is nosy about us and they just want to know what it is that we're using and we're buying, because if they're watching us, they probably have some trust in us and are going to trust us in what we talk about that we are buying. And it gives them an idea of what they might need. Transformational videos, and these are great, especially if you have a business model from YouTube. I know it can be really easy to think about a transformational video for the health and wellness side, like where were you at when you got started with your journey, your health journey, where are you at now, where your clients' journeys are. But think about anything in your niche and what does that transformational journey look like? So for me, I could share how clients first get started on YouTube, how their videos normally aren't always great, right? When you first get started, your videos are not sloppy, but just beginner. And then I can show after like 3 months working with me what their videos look like, show that transformational piece. It's really gonna help you build credibility in your niche. Next video idea is a routine video. Now this doesn't just mean morning routines. I posted recently about my thoughts and feelings towards morning routine and how I don't like them, but maybe it's your filming routine, maybe it's your workout routine, maybe it's your Sunday planning routine if it talks about like meal prepping and how you plan your workouts and your meals, right? Think about routines that your viewer in your niche would want to know about that would help them be successful in your particular niche. Another one is a tour video. Again, we really want to make sure these videos fit with our niche. And so a tour video for me may be like my filming tour, right? How I set this room up. Maybe yours is your workout room. Maybe it's your pantry, right? How you organize healthy foods in your refrigerator. These don't have to be like the typical tours that you see, like my home tour, my bedroom tour, right? Make them unique to your audience and what they want to see from you. Now, this video is great if you aren't ready yet to show your face on video, and it's a written word to video. So if you are already writing blogs, you just do the voiceover and maybe put like imagery, kind of like a slideshow in the background, so that you're still creating videos for YouTube, but you aren't yet showing your face and you're still providing value. Now, before we jump into the last 10 that I have here, I've got 2 quick action items for you. First of all, if you aren't subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now and the bell notification, because like I said, this is just the second video in this entire series we're doing this month about leveling up your YouTube strategy and helping you grow your channel. So you're not gonna wanna miss the next 4 videos after this. And then the second action item is let me know if any of these 10 really resonate with you and there's one of these that you are going to do. Let me know in the comments which one of these you might do next. All right, number 11 is life hacks. Now again, think about your niche. I may give you a video idea on filming equipment hacks, how I lay blankets down on the floor to keep the echo, or how I put my tripod on a Harry Potter book to get it to the level that I want. You may want to give life hacks on how you get up in the morning to work out, or simple hacks for creating at-home gym equipment, like if it's just grabbing a wine bottle to work out, right? Think about hacks that will help your niche do better or help them succeed in your niche. Do's and don'ts videos, and these are really big. When I do these, they tend to perform well. So do's and don'ts for growing a YouTube channel, do's and don'ts for creating a workout routine, do's and don'ts for losing weight, do's and don'ts for starting on Instagram, right? Think about quick 3 to 5 do's and don'ts, and this really gives your audience a high packed, valued video, kind of like boom, 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 right? These are the do's, these are the don'ts, and your audience is really gonna value that. Number 13, news and trending topics. This will be huge for your channel if you can do it. For me, I like to batch videos out, so they're planned kind of in advance. So if something pops up, it can be hard for me to kind of fit it in. Now, I do have a client who teaches about Instagram, and recently the Instagram remix feature came out. And so we had her quickly do a video on the remix feature because we knew it was going to be trending. People were going to be looking for tutorials on how to do it, and it definitely helped her drive more traffic to her channel by getting that video out quickly when it was first released. Keep an eye on trending topics within your niche. If something comes out in the news about your niche, what can you capitalize off of if people are searching for it more than normal? You can also think about tentpole events, things that happen every single year. So if you are a DIYer, obviously the holidays are going to be huge for you. DIY Christmas presents, DIY Easter baskets, right? These are generally being searched more around that time frame, so you want to focus on those tentpole events to definitely help you get more traffic to your channel. Number 14, tips and tricks. Very similar to do's and don'ts, but it's a different perspective. It's a different angle for that video where you're giving them quick tips to be successful. Any value you can provide your viewer makes them want to come back and watch you. Any kind of tips and tricks that is going to make them be successful in your niche. 15 is beginner videos. Again, just a different angle. Beginners at Instagram, beginners at Facebook, beginners at YouTube. So for example, we talked about how-tos, how to start, and now we're talking about beginner videos. So let me just kind of walk through how I would do this on my channel. I may do how to upload to YouTube to get more views. All right, that's a how-to video. How to get started editing your videos. That's a little bit differently, but it still revolves into my niche. And then beginners. So I may do a beginner's guide to setting up your YouTube channel. These are all within YouTube. They all seem like the same video, but you just take a different angle or perspective to get more video ideas out of that. Number 16 is testimonial videos, and these are really important if you are trying to sell something. Whether you're a coach, you have one-on-one services, you have a product. Testimonial videos give you credibility. So do you have a student or do you have a client who would be willing to do a testimonial video for you? Because these are going to be huge for converting viewers into actually paying clients or students. 17, top apps on your phone. Now, again, not necessarily all your apps, right? You don't care about my plant app that I have, but you care about the apps that I have on my phone to make my video and YouTube life easier, like the TubeBuddy app and the video editing apps and the Lightroom app that I have for my thumbnails. Think about the apps specific to your niche that you have on your phone. Again, if you're in that wellness and health space, do you have a food journal app? Do you have an exercise tracking app, right? Think about the apps that help you in your niche. Number 18 is how to make money in your niche. And I say this video because any video about how to make money does well on YouTube. Obviously, I could do how to make money on YouTube if you're in that health and wellness space, how to make money as a health coach, how to make money losing weight. Maybe you talk about like those diet bet type things. If you are a baker or a chef and you have a channel about that, maybe you could do a video on how to make money cooking. Maybe you can do a video on how you can meal prep for other people and make money around that. So just think about how you can help people in your niche make money, because those videos do well on YouTube. Top books in your niche, right? I may share with you some of my favorite books are Pumpkin Plan, Run Like Clockwork, and Pour Your Heart in It. Those are some of my favorite business books. Maybe you have some favorite wellness books. Maybe you have some favorite cookbooks. Maybe you have some favorite creativity books, right? People just want to know. Some people love reading. Some people love to find new ideas of what to listen to in Audible, and those types of videos do well on YouTube as well. The next video idea is to double down on what's working on your channel. Look at your top performing videos. What has the most views? What are the top performing keywords on your channel? And create videos around those topics. Now, not all of these video ideas are going to be worthy or worth it for you to create, but you need to determine which one of these are your green light videos. Now, if you aren't sure what a green light video is, I have a full 60-minute training for you right now if you want to jump in and take it. And I'm going to walk you through what are your green light videos, how to find your green light videos, the biggest mistakes I see people doing on YouTube, and the one thing you need to do on YouTube to be successful. So just click the link that's on your screen right now to get that free training and start watching it now so you can make sure you're picking your green light videos. And if you're ready to start filming your videos right now, check out this video that's on your screen right now where I bring you behind the scenes to show you how I batch multiple videos in just one day.